Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Poshmark how to create a bundle for a buyer. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Creating a bundle for a buyer on Poshmark is a great way to offer discounts or encourage multiple purchases. To do it, first what you need to do is head over and open up your Poshmark app, then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you are logged into your account, what you need to do is go to the My Closet section, which is where you list your items. Then find the items the buyer wants to purchase or you want to bundle together. Then tap on the Add to Bundle button. It looks like a shopping cart icon under each item that the buyer is interested in. Then once the buyer has selected all the items that they want in the bundle, go to your bundle by tapping on the bundle icon or the shopping bag icon. Then tap on Offer to Buy button. This option offers once you have created a bundle. Then you can choose the offer a discount on the bundle or send an offer with a lower price to encourage the buyer to purchase. Once you have set the price and discount, you can send the offer directly to the buyer. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.